The beginner?
Yes. Because this is too much for me.
Okay, you want to go passenger? This is like where you start to get technical and it's like, yeah.
This is, you know.
Damage your vehicle type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a close fit for tires. So you're gonna have to do what he's doing, which is go up on that wall.
Yeah. I have to avoid this rock first.
Okay, you can go passenger and go on these little rocks.
Sliding sideways.
Okay, all right. Just take it a bit at a time. You're gonna come down. Just a second. You got a rock over here, so just go straight and then come up on this wall.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, not too much. You got a rock right there, so you got to time it out. All right, forward. Not even a snide comment. No. Thank you. I don't even see what's going on here. So we want to go to the left? Yeah, I guess so, because...
Right.
Alright, you're coming close to the wall here, so you gotta...
There's no way but to go up and over that rock.
I don't know, I lost track of where these guys are going. Just take it slow.
Yeah. I'm going to come down like bench on the slider.
Okay. Okay, you gotta go straight because you got a rock here.
Hello.
Hey, take a short break.
Yeah, I was just gonna stop here. I just wanted to pull up enough to make some room.
Okay. Forward. It looks like they're all taking that.
Yeah.
Alright. You got this rock up here.
Yeah.
Okay. You are like gonna scratch us. Okay, you're coming up. Coming up, good. Okay, whatever you're doing, keep doing it because we're straight. You have no idea.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Honestly say, not a fan of this trail.
Okay, so there it is.
Yeah. I don't know why. Somehow that doesn't bother me anymore.
Baby, I love you. I love you so much that there's just no words, baby. Just no words. Holy what we came over.
I think so.
Are they trying to torture us?
I believe so.
There's kind of a
Okay, this
ridge
is-
there.
Okay,
We
so you want
kinda
to go
drop
straight
off.
up
This is the
Yeah.
mid-years.
because this rock is jutting out here.
Yeah.
All right.
Group's moving there.
Now you can.
Thank you, Lee.
Okay, there you go. Good job. I think I'll keep you around for another 30 years,
I
maybe.
don't know why, but 20 degrees doesn't bother me anymore. It's like, oh, it's only 20 degrees.
37 is the one.
Get back to what's in the 30s.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. I had to take pictures because I was just like, oh. Does this record any of that or no?
What?
Like,
No.
gosh, it's just too fucking bad. It should record the data, you know. You should get one that
Yeah.
records the data because that is just like irreplaceable.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so you want to do the intermediate trails at Palo Duro Canyon? Here you go. Here's what you're looking at. Oh my gosh, how much more of this do I have to take? It's 3 o'clock.
2 hours at most.
Oh, my
Actually,
gosh.
1 hour.
And then we'll be heading out, right?
Yes.
Okay, I can deal with that. Oh man, they're sliding down that hill.
Which hill?
The one, not this one, the one around the corner.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Holy shit. Alright, so go to your driver. He's taking that.
Oh, he's digging. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a different line.
Well, that's a huge drop off.
Let's see
Oh,
what-
look at that. Whoa. Oh, I thought that was a rock sticking up instead of plants. I wouldn't go this way. I'd go that way,
I'm gonna
definitely.
go as far
Left.
this way as I can, yeah.
Because that is one fucking drop.
I'm going to get right up as far as I can to the left. Alright.
Sure should hope you do it soon, because this is... And I'd just go straight or something. Alright. Passenger, you got a big... Okay. Alright. Take your time because you got 2 huge boulders here
Where are the boulders?
right underneath me right now. Okay, so you're going to go up on the back rear left tire, rear right tire. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
All right. Let's stay on these middle ones because you got rocks jutting out over here.
Yep.
I go a bit more driver.
Yep.
Okay, got another one sticking out. Okay, yeah. Passenger. Passenger. Yep. Straight. Okay, driver.
Okay.
And they went up this hill, thank God. Thank you. Jesus. Holy crap. This is like, what the fuck? What the actual fuck?
Alright, hold on. Skid marks on them.
Okay. Go straight for a second. Okay, now you can get your tire up. 'Cause that's a big one.
the prairie, which means that we're out of the canyon, and we're no worse for wear. Maybe some scrapes on the rock sliders, some scrapes on the rear bumper, but otherwise we're all intact. So a successful trip. Anyway,
I don't know what the hell he's talking about, but I'm going to tell you, my back hurts, and what was the other thing? Oh yeah, and then the door or something slid into the back of my backside. That hurt. I'm telling you what, I'm going to need like major Advil for the next week, and I'm sitting by the pool and I'm not doing another damn thing. Got me?
okay.
Understand? Okay,
Got
just checking. You, as you heard, as my witness, he's letting me have the week off where I just get to recuperate from this. Because this whole thing, yeah. If you have any back problems, you don't want to be doing this. It was a lot of fun. It was very scenic, but today was just a bit much for this body. Anyway, catch you later. So glad you could join us on the journey.